How to customize Windows developer settings in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to fine-tune the options available under the For Developers page. First, click the Start button and open the Settings app. From there, click on System in the left sidebar. After that, scroll down and click on Advanced. From there, click on For Developers on the right side of the screen. At this point, make sure Developer Mode is toggled on at the top, since some of the options below it are only available when it's enabled. Following this, scroll down and you'll see several sections to customize. From here, under the File Explorer section, you'll find toggles to show file extensions, show hidden files, and show full file paths in the title bar. After that, scroll down to the PowerShell section, where you can toggle on the option to allow running local PowerShell scripts without needing to change the execution policy manually through the terminal. From here, the Remote Desktop section lets you enable remote connections to your device, so you can access it from another PC for development or testing purposes. At this point, scroll down further and you'll find the Terminal section, where you can set your preferred default terminal app and choose whether it opens in an elevated window by default. Finally, the Device Discovery section lets your PC be visible to other devices on the network, which is useful for deploying and testing apps across multiple machines. That's how you customize developer settings in Windows 11. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and ring the bell so you catch the next one. See you then!